Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. So, friends, I have huge news for you today. Stimulus checks worth up to $500 have just been confirmed. Billions of dollars have also been allocated towards a new round of stimulus payments. Dear friends, this is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check updates. Please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. And at the end of this video, I will be announcing the winner of Monday's giveaway, so please stay tuned.
So just how have the working families and small businesses fared with President Biden and the Democratic Party calling the shots? 69% of Americans say our economy right now is bad. Even more, 77% say they're pessimistic about costs rising even more in the coming months. Just last month, one long-standing measure of optimism among small business owners reached its lowest level on record. Month after month, the historic high inflation Democrats helped unleash with runaway spending last spring is taking its toll on America's hope for the future. But more immediately, it's taking its toll on their wallets. More than a third of Americans say they're having difficulty paying for usual household expenses. Just last month, the price of a gallon of milk was 16% higher than the year before. Gas prices are scraping the stratosphere.
Many U.S. states had a surplus in their budgets last year. Because the state of Georgia had a surplus, it is now giving out stimulus checks totaling $1.1 billion. Friends, I know many of you are wondering who currently qualifies to receive this new stimulus cash. According to state officials, employees who served on the front lines during the crisis are being rewarded with stimulus checks in Augusta, Georgia. The city plans to compensate anyone who worked in jobs with a high risk during the crisis. The amount of money that you will be eligible for is determined by the number of hours that you worked and the employment type that you work in. Full-time city employees, for example, will receive a $500 incentive, while part-time employees will receive $250. If you worked in public safety, dispatch, custodial, or garbage collection during the crisis, you may be eligible for an extra $500 of this stimulus check. Part-time employees in the above sectors will receive $500, while full-time employees will receive $1,000. The Georgia state's economy rebounded strongly last year from a brief recession in 2020, and that's thanks to a surge of federal crisis rescue funds. The state finished the fiscal year 2021 with a $3.7 billion surplus, with some of the money going into the government's savings account. Democrats claimed Governor Kemp, who's a Republican, had glossed over the reality that the surplus was created mostly on federal help, which went for everything from extended unemployment benefits and child tax credits to health care, housing, and business assistance. Governor Kemp proposed $415 million in grants for crisis stimulus checks to companies earlier this week. There could also be benefits for other employees in the city, as even non-essential workers may be provided an extra day of administrative leave instead. Friends, the keyword for this video is Mount Whitney. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Mount Whitney, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, please make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. A top Biden administration official indicated that the ongoing student loan payment pause is going to come to an end, and payments will resume. But he did not confirm a specific timeline, leaving millions of borrowers guessing about when and whether to plan for repayment. For over 26 months now, payments on most federal student loans have been paused, and interest has been set to zero. Collection efforts against defaulted federal student loan borrowers have also been suspended. That relief was originally provided through the CARES Act, which Congress passed in March 2020 in response to the crisis, and it was supposed to last for 6 months. But the former president and President Biden issued a series of short-term extensions. Biden's most recent extension is now set to end on August 31st, 2022, which means billing would resume in September. But Biden administration officials have hinted that yet another extension of the payment pause may be coming. In response to a reporter's question about whether the president would extend the relief again beyond August 31st, the White House press secretary told reporters that the officials would continue to assess key economic indicators, including costs and inflation. Last week, Education Secretary Miguel Cardona declined to confirm that student loan payments will actually restart this September. He said that Education Department officials are conferring with the White House about when to restart payments, and he promised borrowers a long on-ramp with clear information before billing resumes. The lack of commitment to a specific timeline gives the administration flexibility to extend the payment pause beyond August 31st. But it also leaves borrowers with broad uncertainty about what will ultimately happen with their student loan payments. So, dear friends, do you support extending the federal student payment pause? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my magnificent and incredible friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are with me daily and watching my videos. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Karen Weaver. Congratulations, my friend. Please note that if I have announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Remember, friends, there are many chances to win the Walmart gift card. If you would like to enter tomorrow's giveaway, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.